Hey there, welcome to this video. As you know, most templates on Lightfunnels already support a lot of different languages. But although those languages are supported and most of the texts are editable from the page builder, until today, some of the texts were not editable because they were located in places that are not reachable from the page builder. These are texts like the error messages that you can see on the form validation, or for example, when you want to edit a bundle, you can see that there's a text here that is not editable from the page builder. So in this video, I want to show you a new feature that we have just added that will allow you to edit all of the texts. So you have full control over your texts, no matter what language you're using. Let's go inside of Lightfunnels, and I have this funnel right here. And to access your texts, you want to go next to your language and click the gear icon. In this area, you can change all the texts that are not editable from the page builder. For example, inside of the bundles pop-up, I have this text. And if I want to change that, I would go here and go where it says select, and I can say select a variant. And now if I go back and refresh, you can see that the bundle pop-up is now saying select a variant. The same goes for the error messages. So say, for example, I want to edit this error. Okay, so in this particular case, all the errors are the same. It's just the field name that changes. So let's do that right here. So inside of errors, I will go with where it says is required. And in here, I can change what the error actually says. So for example, I want to make this a capital letter and say is missing. All right. So if I save this and refresh, now if I try to submit the form, you can see that the error messages are all updated. Now, if you want to change these variables right here, you would just go to the variables tab and you have the option to change those. Keep in mind that these changes are at the account level. This means that the changes you make here will apply to all the funnels and templates that you have on your account. And that's how you can edit all the texts that are not directly editable from the page builder.